Chapter 29. Explanation of couples who did Agni Pravesham. Reaching Kurungada and having darshan of Shripada, we sat in his presence on his order. Shripada protects his followers. Shripada said, "My dear, you are blessed seeing the birthday festivals of Sri Vasavi yesterday. The place and time are playing balls in my hand. I can transfer the things that have happened or happening or going to happen into past or present or future. I can order the time and place so that they appear to be like a journey without end, however much you may try. I will be understood by you according to the level of your Chaitanyam. If you surrender to me, present in the form of Antaryami, the inner being, and do karmas according to my dictates, I will take all your responsibilities and bring you to the shore. As I can rule the Prakriti with mere word, I have become famous as Saraswati. The people of Kali Yuga are like Hiranyakashyapas. Their problems, feelings, thoughts and ways are very complex. They gain physical transformation in the science of nature and get boons from Mother Nature like Hiranyakashyapa. Accordingly, to protect innocent devotees like Prahlada, I have to take avatar like Narasimha in this Kali Yugam. So I will take another avatar with the name of Narasimha Saraswati and become famous in Gandharvapuram." The story of Kanyaka Parameshwari. Later he told us about Sri Vasavi Mata. A tapasvi by name Samadhi was a devotee of Jagannmata. He was born as Kusuma Shreshti. The Adya Shakti was born as his daughter with name Vasavi. Vishnuvardhana asked for something which he should not have asked. Aryavaishyas thought that it was better to jump into Agnikundam and protect their honor. Sri Vasavi gave darshan as Arya Mahadevi with a divine luster to her parents and relatives in other gotras. Unable to see the great luster, many people fell unconscious. Then Ambika withdrew her lustrous form and became an ordinary-looking Vasavi Kanyaka. She told her Vaishya people, "Mothers and fathers, immediately after we merge in the Agnihotram, Vimaladitya's head will break into 1,000 pieces. You always keep in mind the supporting god of Vaishyas, Srinagareshwara Swami. The one known as Vindhyavasini is none other than me. You perform your duties like service to cows and Brahmins, worship of family gods, and Gotra worship meticulously. I am giving assurance to you. If you follow these rules and regulations, the music of my anklets will be heard in your houses and in your hearts. Lakshmi Kala will be glowing in your houses. You will be successful and get all happiness and auspiciousness in this world and ultimately reach Kailasam and be happy there also." I asked, "Mahaprabhu, who are the couples who entered the Agnikundam? What are their gotras? Please let me know." Prabhu became happy and said, "The people of 102 gotras only are called Aryavaishyas. One is relieved of sins if one remembers the couples who entered the Agnikundam along with Sri Vasavi Kanyaka, who was Arya Mahadevi." Explanation of Gotras. One should remember first Dhanada and Dhanalakshmi who belong to Labadi Maharshi. Listen carefully to the Gotras of Aryavaishyas. Prabhatasa Gotram, Manavasa Gotram related to Mandavya Rishi, Gargyasa Gotram related to Angirasa, Gopakasa Gotram related to Gopaka Rishi, Putimashasa Gotram related to Putimasha Muni, Srivatsavasa Gotram related to Srivatsava Muni, Kandvasa Gotram related to Kandva Maharshi, Kandarpasa Gotram related to Kandarpa Rishi, Galubhyasa Gotram related to Galubhyasa Rishi, Devavalkyasa Gotram belonging to Devavalkya, Maitreyasa Gotram related to Maitreya, Sanakasa Gotram belonging to Sanaka Maharshi, Uttamojasa Gotram belonging to Angirasa Muni. There is a speciality to this Uttamojasa Gotra. This Angirasa, who used to worship Agni, later got the name Narada. Vamadevasa Gotram belonging to Vamadeva Rishi, Kashyapasa Gotram belonging to Kashyapa Muni. Jaradkarasa Gotram belonging to Jaradkara Muni, Durvasa Gotram belonging to Surikshana Muni, Maudgalyasa Gotram belonging to Maudgalya, Atreyasa Gotram belonging to Atreya Rishi, Jatukarnasa Gotram belonging to Jatukarna Muni, Poundrakasa Gotram belonging to Poundrika Muni, Subramanyasa Gotram belonging to Dhaumya Rishi, Vayavyasa Gotram belonging to Vayavya Rishi, Parasharasya Gotram belonging to Parashara Rishi, Paulatsya Gotram belonging to Paulatsya Rishi, Agatsya Gotram belonging to Agatsya Rishi, Gautamasa Gotram belonging to Gautama Muni, Bodhayana Gotram belonging to Bhargava Rishi, Maskasa Gotram belonging to Jaimuni, Harivalkasa Gotram belonging to Matanga Muni, Vyapasa Gotram belonging to Samvartha Muni, Vishwaksena Gotram belonging to Vishwaksena, Shaundilyasa Gotram belonging to Tumbura Rishi, Vishnuvruddha Gotram belonging to Pushala Rishi, Vairohitasya belonging to Varuna Rishi, Sukanchana Gotram belonging to Sukanchana Rishi, Paratantusha Gotram belonging to Paratantu Muni, Pavitra Patanisha Gotram belonging to Devala Rishi, Pingalasa Gotram belonging to Pingala Rishi, Kapilasa Gotram belonging to Kapila Muni, Bharadvajasa Gotram belonging to Bharadvaja, Munirajasa Gotram belonging to Muniraja Rishi, Rishyashrungasa Gotram belonging to Rishyashrunga, Mandapalasa Gotram belonging to Mandapala, Ugrasena Gotram belonging to Ugrasena Rishi, Markandeyasa Gotram belonging to Markandeya Rishi, Maunjayanasa Gotram belonging to Manjatratula, Yagnavalkasa Gotram belonging to Yagnavalkya Rishi, Babreyasa Gotram belonging to Babhi Rishi, Prachinasa Gotram belonging to Prachina, Sridharasa Gotram belonging to Sridhara, Jadabharatasa Gotram belonging to Jadabharata, Tittirasa Gotram belonging to Gargya, Kaundinyasa Gotram belonging to Kaundinya, Kapitasa Gotram belonging to Vedanidhi, Bhargavasa Gotram belonging to Bhrugu Maharshi, Samvartakasa Gotram belonging to Samvartha, Trijatasa Gotram belonging to Hayagriva, Valmikasa Gotram belonging to Valmika, Taiteyasa Gotram belonging to Pavitrapani, Marichasa Gotram belonging to Maricha, Suvarnasa Gotram belonging to Bodhayana, Auchidhyasa Gotram belonging to Shabaramuni, Kanteyasa Gotram belonging to Kamakya Rishi, Satyasa Gotram belonging to Satyavratha, Sanatkumarasa Gotram belonging to Mahasena, Kautsasa Gotram belonging to Kautsa, Vatukasa Gotram belonging to Sthula Shirassu, Shaucheyasa Gotram belonging to Krishnadvaipayana, Jambasudhana Gotram belonging to Madhava, Devaratasa Gotram belonging to Devaratha, Sharabhangasa Gotram belonging to Sharabhanga, Netrapadasa Gotram belonging to Netrapada. In this Gotram, Dhaumya is being called Netrapada Dhaumya in Netrapada Vamsham. Gritsnamadasa Gotram belonging to Vishnuvruddha Muni, Chakrapanisa Gotram belonging to Chakrapani Muni, Jivantisa Gotram belonging to Bruhaspati, Vashishtasa Gotram belonging to Vashishta, Shaunakasa Gotram belonging to Turyavrata, Suvarnasa Gotram belonging to Mausala Rishi, Sauvarnasa Gotram belonging to Angirasa Rishi, Sanandanasa Gotram belonging to Sanandana, Utkrashtasa Gotram belonging to Poundrika, Shuklasa Gotram belonging to Angirasa, Poundrikasa Gotram belonging to Pundarika, Krishnasa Gotram belonging to Krishna, Taranisa Gotram belonging to Trijata, Pallavasa Gotram belonging to Pallava Muni, Maudgalyasa Gotram belonging to Chatushkarnu, Achayanasa Gotram belonging to Ashvalayana, Sundarasa Gotram belonging to Saundarya Muni, Varunasa Gotram belonging to Varuna, Vasudevasa Gotram belonging to Jabali, Sharangaravasa Gotram belonging to Sharangarava, Sutikshanasa Gotram belonging to Sutikshana, Saumyasa Gotram belonging to Saumya, Parasparayanasa Gotram belonging to Paulatsya, Kaushikasa Gotram belonging to Kaushika, Chamaranasa Gotram belonging to Pretamanaska, Jabalasa Gotram belonging to Sanat Kumara Rishi, Naradasa Gotram belonging to Pavana Rishi, Brihatvashasa Gotram belonging to Brihadisha Rishi, Vishwamitrasa Gotram belonging to Vishwamitra Rishi. My dear, these are 102 Gotras. Sri Dharmagupta said, Victory to Mahaguru. There is no Labhadi Gotram in the 102 Gotras, you said. If you add Labhadi Gotra, it will be 103. Prabhu, please clarify my doubt. Shripada said, Labhada Maharshi Gotram has another name, Dhanada Kula Gotram. There is one Kashyapasa Gotram related to Labhadi Maharshi. In Prabhata Gotra, not only Abhiramamba and Ramachandraya couple, but also Kusumamba and Kusuma Shreshti couple did Agni Pravesham. Dhanada Kula Gotram related to Labhada Maharshi is there. Kashyapasa Gotram ended. So there were 102 Gotras. When the marriage takes place between Sri Vasavi Kanyakamba and Sri Nagareshwar at the end of Kali Yuga, the Gotra of Sri Vasavi Kanyakamba should be read as Prabhata Gotram and that of Sri Nagareshwara as Kashyapasa Gotram. This is the subtle dharma principle in this. As long as Sri Vasavi is treated as Kanyaka, Dhanadakula Gotram should be taken in 102 Gotras. At the end of Kali Yugam, Labhada Maharshi Gotram should be known as Kashyapasa Gotram. At the end of Kali Yugam, Dhanadakula Gotram will end. The names of couples who did Agni Pravesham. Shripada gave the details of couples who did Agni Pravesham as follows. Abhiramamba Ramachandrudu, Brahmaramba Balarka Shreshti, Rajamukhi Rajendra Gupta, Rajyalakshmi Dravina Raja Shreshti, Samadarshi Somadudu, Kirtikanta Utpalakshudu, Bhimamba Prithvisha Gupta, Pushpamba Bhuvanadipa Shreshti, Chitra Bhashini Chitra Shubhagaryalu, Balamani Baladeva Shreshti, Ragamanjam Raghakhya Shreshti, Pallavamba Palahvyaya Shreshti, Narimani Nagakhya Shreshti, Dhanalakshmi Dhanagupta, Rukmavati Pavana Shreshti, Chandramukhi Putatmacharyulu, Dharmamba Uttamavvyaya Shreshti, Amrita Bhashini Gautama Shreshti, Pallavamba Mallakhya Shreshti, Vichakshanangi Rakshahvyaya Shreshti, Chandrarekha Shringadhama Shreshti, Jahnavi Jamadagni Gupta, Kalavati Chandrakhya Shreshti, Neelamba Nandakhya Shreshti, Pallavapani Vallabha Shreshti, Anumita Ananta Shreshti, Potamamba Bhogakhya Shreshti, Vimala Kapilacharyulu, Abhinavamba Amala Shreshti, Taravali Vamanacharyulu, Kanakangi Kumudakhya Shreshti, Indumukhi Vindakhya Shreshti, Kamalavati Ganasatva Shreshti, Chanchalakshi Pavanakhya Shreshti, Bhramaramanī Dhantunamaryudu, Manjuvani Sundarakhya Shreshti, Aryamamba Mallakhya Shreshti, Kundaradana Govinda Gupta, Abjamukhi Jamadagni Shreshti, Kamalakshi Samadakhya Shreshti, Dharani Devi Kumara Shreshti, Hallakamba Parthivacharyulu, Dhanalakshmi Dhanadagupta, Lolamba Lokavyaha Shreshti, Kamalavati Gaurakhya Shreshti, Saudamini Bambacharyalu, Chandrakala Chandramouli Shreshti, Tanumadhya Dhritasatya Shreshti, Sudarshini Saudhakhya Shreshti, Subhodhini Simhasanecharyulu, Mohini Pavitrapani Shreshti, Kusumamba Kusuma Shreshti, Balamani Janardhana Shreshti, Dhantavati Amritakhya Shreshti, Samashila Samalakhya Shreshti, Chitrarekha Kausalyavyaha Shreshti, Bhamamani Bhaskaracharyulu, Manimanjari Aditya Gupta, Dhanavati Dharmakhya Shreshti, Shyamalamba Krishna Shreshti, Saraswati Parashiva Shreshti, Kalivatamsa Balaka Shreshti, Hemareka Swarnaradha Shreshti, Manishalaka Kandarpa Shreshti, Medhamba Markandeya Shreshti, Prithvi Devi Prudhunama Shreshti, Dhanadamba Moolaryalu, Prolasini Punyarashi Gupta, Bimbadhari Peenapaksharyulu, Pallavamba Bhogaksha Shreshti, Hemangi Mrutsyadvajaryulu, Devamba Bhogakhya Shreshti, Ibhayana Nagavyaha Shreshti, Bhumamba Brahmaryulu, Vidhuramba Madhavaryulu, Somaprabha Simhadvaja Shreshti, Kambukanti Kapilaryulu, Vasantika Ardhanarisha Shreshti, Pipulamba Nagadvaja Shreshti, Manjuvani Gunapunja Gupta, Neelaveni Bhanu Gupta, Krishnamba Nagavyaha Shreshti, పుష్పధామ, విదఖ్యగుప్త, ప్రభావతి, పద్మనాభశ్రేష్ఠి, నవనీతాంగి విన్నాఖ్యశ్రేష్ఠి, విన్నమాంబ విశ్వనాథశ్రేష్ఠి, మేధాంబ వీరభద్రార్యులు, గంగాభవాని విద్యాధరశ్రేష్ఠి, చిత్రాంగి విన్నవరేణ్యశ్రేష్ఠి, సుందరి జీమూతశ్రేష్ఠి, రాజముఖి రాజేశ్వరశ్రేష్ఠి, ఉత్రులాక్షి పుండితార్యులు, పద్మగంధి బాలభానుశ్రేష్ఠి, సత్యవతి సత్యసంధశ్రేష్ఠి, చంద్రాంబ జలదఖ్యశ్రేష్ఠి, పావనీదేవి చంద్రబాణశ్రేష్ఠి, పద్మాక్షి మేఘసేనగుప్త, చపలాక్షి సింహముఖశ్రేష్ఠి, మణిమాల ఘణముఖార్యులు, దావని నిర్జలసేనగుప్త, లీలావతి జనార్దనగుప్త, కొముదవల్లి సుదర్శనశ్రేష్ఠి. After telling these details, Shripada went into dhyana. We were also told to be in dhyana. Victory to Shripada Shrivallabha, Shripada Rajam Sharanam Prapadhye.